Today we got some exciting news straight from Huawei. They have just released a teaser for their latest innovation, the Huawei Mate XT, first tri-fold phone. You just heard it right, a phone with 3 folds. This device is about to change the game in the smartphone world. Let's dive into what makes this phone so special. Huawei has just shared the first official look of Mate X3 tri-fold phone, and it's absolutely stunning. In the teaser video, Huawei shows off the rear design of the phone, which has a sleek, high-end aesthetic similar design to the Mate XT or its ultimate design. The rear of the phone has an octagonal camera bump that houses 3 lenses, including a periscope sensor for those amazing zoom shots. There is also an X-Mate branding and LED flash placed vertically. And to top it off, the back is covered in vegan leather, which not only looks premium but also provides a nice comfortable grip. But the real magic happens when you unfold the phone. With its tri-fold design, the device is incredibly thin and measuring just 5 mm in thickness. When folded, it looks like a regular smartphone, but once you unfold it, it transforms into something that feels more like a tablet, giving you a much bigger screen size and a better viewing experience. This device is similar to Mate X5 but with an extra screen. And here's something even cooler. The Mate XT is expected to feature a massive 10-inch display when fully unfolded, which is about 50% larger than the typical foldable phones like Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series. Huawei also revealed a new brand ambassador for the Mate XT, none other than the Andy Lau. In the teaser video, you can see Andy using the phone and showing off its creative possibilities. Clearly, Huawei is aiming high with this one. Now let's talk about the price and the specs. According to the leaked rumor, the 16 gigs of RAM and 512GB variant cost around $2,000, but the official pricing hasn't been confirmed yet. This phone is expected to be available in beautiful brown and gold shades, and who knows, maybe there will be more colors when it officially launches. So, what do you guys think of the Huawei Mate XT triple foldable phone? It's definitely a bold move by Huawei and could set a new trend for smartphones. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Bytes for more tech updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.